Jason, I said one person at a time. When he comes back from the bathroom, you can go right after him. Alright, but wait till he comes back. Just sit down, alright? You're gonna go. Yes. Oh, you're done? Let me see. Alright, you're good. Yes, Melissa. Oh, you have a headache? Well, go sit down and just put your head down, alright? Brian, I see you. Move over to the next desk. Brian, move over to the next desk. I see you cheating, Brian.
Regreso un momento.
Gracias.
Necesito ir al baño.
¿Qué? ¿Justamente ahora? No, te quedas aquí.
Por favor, en serio necesito ir al baño.
Ya, pero rápido. Te voy a estar vigilando.
Sí, no me demoro.
Ni se te ocurra hacer algo estúpido. O si no vas a ver.
Pero enseguida, le juro que no me demoro.
Muévete.
¿Pero qué le pasa a esta niña? Primero me besa y ahora esto.
Uy, ya tienes nueva admiradora.
Ay, ya basta, Derek. Lo que pasa en esa niña es inapropiado.
¿Por qué?
¿Pero qué es esto?
Por favor.
Who wants one?
Y me gustas un poco más.
Ok.
Hola, ¿cómo tal?
Last night I picked up this beautiful old tenon saw. Used to belong to a John Joe something. I also picked up a few of these ripcut saws. Also got a few moulding planes here, which you can see are in great condition. But today we're just going to focus on restoring this fella, seeing if we can get it taken a cut. So I have a little modified screwdriver here, and we're just going to use that to help us remove the handle. Then we can just throw it into our vise like so, and then slowly encourage the handle to come out, and there we go. Remove the rust, we just give her an old drop of WD-40, grab our 120 grit sandpaper, and you can already see how quickly it just comes up. So now that we have it sanded, we have all the rust gone. There's still a bit of a patina, the kind of dark colour, but I like that, so I'm going to keep it like it is. You can also see the maker mark up there. We can read that it's from Sheffield. So the next thing we're going to do is work on the handle. It's in fairly good condition, but we're just going to scratch off the writing with the sandpaper, and there's a little blip up here I want to kind of round out. So Last thing we need to do then is just chuck it into the vise here, grab our triangular file and just sharpen each of the teeth. So after we have the teeth sharpened, we need to get this fella. It's known as a saw set. And we go up to every second tooth and we just line it up and we squeeze it into place, and we do every second tooth either this way or that way, and it makes what's known as a kerf and stops the saw blade from getting jammed in the wood. One of the most satisfying parts then is putting a drop of linseed oil into the saw handle and just seeing how quickly the grain kind of comes to life. Look how beautifully that turned out, lads. All that's left to do is just slat it back together, screw it back into place, and then we can test it out on a piece of wood. Well lads, the moment we've been waiting for. I'm going to line up a piece of pine here against the bench hook and just kind of see what we can do. There we go, cuts like a treat. Very fine cut off it as well. I've also been videoing today's video on this fella here to upload to YouTube, so if you want to see this being done in high definition with a few extra steps, check it out, link in bio. Good luck.